we are going to learn how to assemble and disassemble a computer. So the first thing is to remove one screw, the system unit, then open it so that we can access what is inside. After that, we first disassemble the power supply. And disassembling the power supply, you make sure that you remove all cables connected to it. Then you unscrew the power supply. After that, that's how we have managed to disassemble our power supply. And this is how it looks like. So after that, we are going to assemble it back. So you put it, then you push it back for screwing. So you close your screw. You reconnect it again to the motherboard. And then to the hard disk. And then to the combo drive of the CD-ROM drive. Thank you. The next we are going to